My name is Syed Ali Hamid and I'm a student at Air University, Islamabad, Department of Mechatronics Engineering. This is the entrance of Air University. Air University is located at Sector E9, Islamabad. On my right side, this is the admin block. It has different offices of administration, including the Vice Chancellor's office. On my back, this is Faculty of Social and Applied Sciences. It has Department of Mathematics, Department of Physics, and Department of Computer Sciences. This is the engineering block which carries electrical department and mechatronics department. Mechatronics is the combination of mechanical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, computer and control engineering. So our department of mechatronics engineering started back in 2003. Now 4 batches have already been passed. However, this one is the 5th batch, and now we are also again sending our different projects to international competitions. Now we'll be moving towards project exhibitions of mechatronics department. Let's come to the projects.
My name is Shah Ahmed Raza. We are 4 group members. Our project is production of superheated steam by using solar tracking system. It is basically a solar-based project. As you know that our country is facing energy crisis. That's why we chosen the solar project. And this is our project at the focal point of our Ravioli dish. We are getting temperature of 450 degrees centigrade, and water is our working fluid. Water passes through these copper pipes, and we make the coils. And at the coils, water is heated up and boiled up. At the exit point, we get the steam of the temperature of 1 or 2 degrees centigrade. That steam can be used as to run the steam turbine and for power generation.
Our project is basically the solar tracking system. It deals with both the angles, elevation as well as the azimuthal angle. We have 4 group members. We have used 4 sensors. Our solar tracking system tracks time by time. We have used the intensity of sunlight because Pakistan is the 6th luckiest country, in the whole world. So we have used this energy.
My name is Asib, and these all are my group members: Rishan, Usman, Iyaz, Rafe, and Tasim. This is basically sun tracking solar power plant, and the sun fall on this dish focuses the rays on one point, and the temperature achieved at this point is 250. And we can use it for domestic purpose like cooking.
My name is Saad Khan, and these are my group members Sikandar and Shahab. We are working on analysis of exhaust gases. Very few people have worked on this project all over the world, and the significance of this is that we can check the gases coming out of the engine, and by that we can analyze whether our engine is working properly or not. This analyzer can be applied in the industry also. We are focusing on analyzing pipe gases. Analyzing pipe gases is a quite difficult job.
I am Asr Aziz with my group members Nida Aslam, Ahmad Afan, Shahrukh Tair, and this is our final year project, automatic wheelchair, supervised by Sir Muzaffar Ali. This project is basically designed for semi-paralyzed person. The person can move wheelchair in any direction, forward, backward, left or right, by just bending his fingers. As the wheelchair move in a specified direction, the direction is announced on audio on speaker, fitted in the back side. There is also LCD display which shows in which direction the wheelchair is moving. For obstacle detection, we have fixed ultrasonic and IR sensors, so if any hurdle or obstacles come on the way, the wheelchair will stop automatically. You can use for semi-paralyzed person, you can place it in PIMS.
My name is Sapna Javed, and we are a group of 4 girls and the title of our final year project is Design and Fabrication of Intelligent Pick and Place Robot. The task of this robot is material handling. That means the robotic arm has to pick up an object coming from a conveyor belt through barcode scanning and will place it on the desired location specified by the user. All the information and all the interfacing is done through computer. And the usage in industry of this project is material handling.
I am Sarabi. These are my group members. We have made a Segway, and for the first time ever we have made it in Pakistan. It's a very good project for the bachelor's ever at least. This Segway is basically very useful in industries as well as for domestic use. Actually, the rider just have to stand on it and lean forward, and it starts to work. That's it.
My name is Muhammad Umair Tahir, and alongside me are my group members Saad Ali, Afzal Sadiq, and Shanul Haq. And we have designed a robot, an autonomous robot, which can be used in industries to lift trolleys from warehouse to the specific assembly line zone, and it can navigate through pre-fed maps, and also it can lift trolleys with heavy weights, which cannot be done with human interference. So this is very useful in industry, as it has the capability to lift more weight, and it has the capability to navigate through maps.
We are now basically working on this robot, which is a fire rescue robot. it can extinguish any flames that comes in its paths, and it can work on extremely rough terrain. And it's a very useful tool. If you can get it in the industry, it will be very helpful.
Tell us a little about your project and the motivation that was behind this project.
Now we are going to complete our bachelor degree, so we have to prove that we have enough knowledge to go into the industry. So that's why we have decided a project which can present a complete mechatronics. For example, in this project we are using a sensor, 2 servo motors and a stepper motor, which are very essential components of robotics, and it is working in a good way. We use a load cell which will detect the weight and sort out the nuts on the weight.
Our project is a MIG welding manipulator used for the welding. These kind of robots are used in industry for precise welding, and these robots reduce the effect of human error. My group members are Adnan Hassan, Haris Rahman and Asad Raza.
Would you please tell us a little about your project and the motivation behind this?
The motivation behind this is energy efficiency. So we've made an energy efficient escalator system. It can vary its power consumption according to the load applied on it. Or if the load is not applied on it, it runs on its idle condition, where it takes the least amount of power.
Tell us about your project. What have you done and what is this?
Actually, we have made an electric vehicle. We have used lithium polymer batteries and hub type motor which is on the rear wheel drive. This is actually the heart of this whole vehicle. This is a hub type motor which is used in the back of this vehicle. So we are participating in the Chaleco Marathon Asia 2011, which will be held on 6 to 9 July. The best part of this vehicle is that this vehicle is almost like covering like 180 kilometers per kilowatt hour in 1 unit charge. Okay. Commercially the unit is almost like 12 rupees in Pakistan, and on local basis almost like 6 rupees. So this vehicle is covering 180 kilometers per kilowatt hour in 6 rupees. So that's a huge milestone. So we just have to charge it for just 2 hours, and the discharging time of this battery is almost like 12 hours. This is covering like 180 kilometers. But when we converted this vehicle electric consumption into the petrol consumption, now that is giving us 1800 kilometers per liter of a gasoline. No one has ever created this vehicle in Pakistan. We are the pioneers of this vehicle. Proud to be an Indian, proud to be a Pakistani.
So tell us about this car and what have you done so far?
Well, we are participating in an international event called Chaleco Marathon in Malaysia. We are participating in a prototype category. The speciality of this car is this is Pakistan's first ethanol E100 car. It is powered on ethanol E100. This work has been done only in Brazil before Pakistan, and now Pakistan has this technology. Another important thing of this project of this car is that its mileage. It can travel 150 kilometers in 1 liter of fuel. That is ethanol E100.
Assalamu alaikum. Tell us a little about this project.
The name of our group is Hexake, and our group comprises of 6 members. We went last time in that competition, Chaleco Marathon. We were basically the pioneers of this project from the Air University, and we went to Malaysia last time, and mashallah, we did really good. Like, we beated India, we beated Iran. Even with the lack of resources, we managed to do really good things, like we cleared 72 tests. And when we came back to Pakistan, we won the National Youth Award from all over the Pakistan. We are participating this time too. Last time there were no, this covering was not over here. We implemented this covering to improve the aerodynamic of the car. We have implemented the fans that intake the air to cool down the engine, because when we went last time, it was so hot out there, and there was no there was nothing to cool this engine. So we made the ventilation and also the fans, and we have made some changes in the engine too.
The title of our project is PLC Controlled Pneumatic Arm for Material Handling, and it's work on the basic principle as in most of the industries in Pakistan, 60 to 70%. They use pneumatic system in order to pick the material from one conveyor belt and they deliver it with a rotation of 90 degree to 180 degree to some other places for further anything that they want to do, either sort the material or they're going to pick again and deliver it to somewhere else.
This is single-seated hovercraft. This is my final year hovercraft. We have used a steel chassis for this project. We have used motors and blowers for the thrust, and there's a propeller for the forward thrust. It can move forward and backward, and we can control the rudders by using remote control. We can control the hovering by a remote control. We have used a battery as a power source. This is a very useful project for industry. It can carry a weight up to 100 kgs. It can be used in industry for the heavy weight lifting, and it can be used for defense purposes and other very applications.
My name is Harun Anwar, and we made our final year project is hybrid fuel system. My group members are Nabil Abbas and Bini Shakku. And we run this generator through two technologies. One is global environmental energy technology, commonly known as a GEET. And the second one is we produce hydrogen through electrolysis kit. So we run this generator on these two technologies together.